Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you how to fix your JBL Everest 700. You can actually do this for any type of headphone. Once the cloth start going bad, you can actually fix it. I'm gonna show you how to take this off and do that. I'm just gonna use a tablespoon to remove this part. This one, I tried to get a replacement piece for this, but the one I see online come with clip, but this one is actually glue with adhesive. I already took the other one off. Once you take this off, you can just start pulling this out. There's nothing wrong with my headphone, that's the only thing that went bad. And you end up with this. I think JBL should have used stitches in this part, that's why it's coming off. They just glue it together, the inner part, but for some reason they use stitches on the outer part. They should have done the same thing throughout. The next step is to try to separate where they had stitched it together and make individual pieces. I'm gonna try to do this with the scissors instead. And you will end up with 3 pieces. Actually, you don't really need this. You can kind of do it with this. Just to get this layout, just lay down whatever piece of cloth you're using and just trace it with a pencil. Trace those 3 pieces with pencil and then cut them out. Cut them out and you should end up with 3 pieces, and when you're done you're gonna get this end product. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video to show you how to put this together. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment.